Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your YouTube. First, let's clarify what resetting means. It primarily involves clearing your watch and search histories, which significantly impacts your recommendations. This process helps you start fresh with your content suggestions. We'll walk through the simple steps to achieve this, ensuring you can tailor your YouTube experience to your current interests. It's a quick way to refresh your feed in just a few clicks. To clear your watch history, begin by opening YouTube and clicking on the History tab located on the left-hand menu. Once there, you'll see an option on the right side that says Clear All Watch History. Click this, and a confirmation pop-up will appear. Confirm your choice, and all your past viewed videos will be removed. You can also choose to pause watch history to prevent future videos from being recorded, giving you complete control over your viewing data. Next, let's tackle your search history. From the same history page, look for the Search History option, usually found just below Watch History. Click on it, and you'll find a similar option to clear all search history. Just like with Watch History, a confirmation prompt will appear. Confirm your decision, and all your previous searches will be erased. You also have the option to pause search history to stop YouTube from saving your future searches, maintaining your privacy, and helping to reset your recommendations. Clearing both your watch and search histories is the most effective way to reset your YouTube recommendations. Without past data, YouTube's algorithm will start fresh, basing new suggestions on your future interactions. Remember, you can pause both histories indefinitely to maintain this reset state. For more control, explore your Google Accounts data and privacy settings, where you can review and manage other YouTube-related data, ensuring your experience is exactly how you want it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.